In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Gmail password. If you want to keep your Gmail account secure, updating your password regularly is a smart habit. The good news is that Google makes the process straightforward, and in this guide, I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. To begin, go to your Google account settings. This is the main area where Google lets you manage your personal account details, privacy settings, and security options. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account before you continue, especially if you use more than one Gmail address. Once you're in your Google account, look over to the left-hand column and click on Security and Sign In. This section contains the settings related to how you access your account and how Google helps protect it. If you're ever updating anything related to passwords, verification, or sign-in activity, this is usually where you'll find it. After that, click on Password. Google may ask you to verify your identity at this stage. That's completely normal and is there to make sure that only you can make changes to your account. Just follow the prompt to continue. When the password change page opens, click into the new password field. This is where you'll enter the new password you want to use for your Gmail account. Try to choose something strong and difficult to guess. A good password is usually longer, unique, and not something you've used before. Avoid using obvious personal information or simple patterns. Next, click into the Confirm New Password field. Here, type the same new password again, exactly as you entered it the first time. This confirmation step helps make sure there are no typing mistakes. If the two entries don't match, Google won't let you continue, so it's worth taking a second to double check. Once both fields are filled in correctly, click on Change Password. This saves your new password and updates your Google account sign-in details. After the password is changed, remember that you may need to sign in again on your phone, tablet, laptop, or any apps where your Gmail account is connected. That's normal after a password update. It's also a good idea to store your new password somewhere secure, like a trusted password manager, so you don't lose access later. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Gmail password and taken an important step toward keeping your accounts safer.